Hey, Emily, I know I messed up big time. I cheated. And I'm so sorry. I don't expect you to forgive me immediately. But I want to be honest and tell you everything.
I'm shocked. I never thought you'd do this to us. Why would you even risk everything we had?
I know it makes no sense, and I'm not trying to justify it. I was stupid, confused, and honestly selfish. There's no excuse. I just want you to know it won't happen again.
I need time to think. This hurts more than you can imagine. How am I supposed to trust you now?
I understand completely. I don't expect you to trust me right away. I'm willing to do whatever it takes to prove I'm serious about fixing this. Couples therapy, open communication, you name it.
It's a big step. I'm scared you'll hurt me again. And honestly, it's breaking my heart to even consider this.
I know I've hurt you deeply, and I hate that I caused you pain. You mean everything to me, and I want to spend my life making it right. I'm ready to be fully transparent. No secrets, no lies.
It'll take time. I need to see real change. Trust isn't rebuilt overnight. You have to earn it back.
I'm prepared for the long haul. I'll be patient and persistent. Just please don't shut me out completely.
I won't shut you out yet, but I'm hurting and scared. I need you to be ready for that too.
I am. I promise, Emily, I'll do everything to heal this. Thank you for even considering us.
I'm scared but willing to try. Just don't let me regret it again.